Hey guys, today I want to come on and share with you this hair straightener. This hair straightener has a really smooth, long titanium plate on it. You can see in there, it's so smooth. That way it does not snag or pull your hair. It's so easy to use and so gentle. It's a 5-inch extended plate. That way you can straighten your hair with less passes because it can spread out along the longer plate of the straightening iron. It's super easy to use. It's fast. It is good for wet or dry hair, so you can do it from damp hair, and you can straighten damp hair with this or dry hair. It takes about 15 seconds for this to heat up to 450 degrees. It will have a flashing, I don't know if it's hard to see right there, but once it's on, it has a green light, it has a flashing red light, and once it's heated completely up, it will be a solid light. So you'll know exactly when your straightener is heated all the way up. If you have like fine or thin hair, you can set this to a lower temperature. It will start out at 290 degrees, and you can set it all the way up to 450 if you want to. If you have curly or coarse hair that is hard to straighten, you can use it on a higher heat setting. So this one straightens my hair really good and really fast. As you can see here, I'll move up. I have this like naturally like just curly, not straight hair. I mean, I have straight hair. It's not kinky curly, but every morning I wake up, I have curls around my face, curls in the back, and if I do not blow dry my hair, it is curly. I have like these cowlicks up here, and this thing straightens my hair within seconds. So I'm going to show you how I straighten my hair with this straightener and let you see how great it is. Oh, I forgot to show you, it also comes with this glove. That way, in case you want to use the glove, so you're not gonna burn your hands, but I don't use the glove because with it being extra long, and it also has this long piece down here, I really don't burn my hands. So this is a great accessory to have in case you are worried about that. So first, I'm just going to brush my hair. I haven't done anything, and you can see under here what it looks like. So I'm gonna brush through it and start straightening. So you can see with one pass, it has got all of the kinks out of my hair. It is super straight, and let's see, I'm gonna keep going. So you can see the kinks and the curls back there. I'm just gonna keep going around. And it is super straight. Okay, let me show you this side. I'm not. It just glides right down and makes your hair so straight. Let me show you this around my face. It's pretty delicate hair, but it also gets really curly, and you'll see how straight it gets. With one pass. You can do larger sections of hair, or that was a pretty large section of hair, and you see how straight it got. Also, you can do smaller pieces of hair and it will probably get straighter. But for time, I will do this. I'll do a larger piece right here. Super straight. And I'm going to go down this, and I mean, it will get like board straight. You can see how straight. I'm going to go back over this little piece right here. It gets, and I'm going to pull it that way. So I love this straightener, and I hope you check it out, because if you do, I know you will love it just as much as I do.